Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create Workday account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up the Workday app, and then once you'll open it, here you'll be seeing something like this on the screen. Now the first thing that you need to do is check for account creation information. Look for an email or onboarding packet from your HR department, which will include your Workday username, a temporary password or instruction for setting up your password, the Workday URL or tenant name for your organization. Now the next thing is open Workday Portal. Go to the URL provided by your employer, and then alternatively download the Workday. Now once that's done, what you need to do is enter in that URL right here, and then once you enter in the URL, you need to log in, enter in your username and the temporary password. If single sign-on is used, you will be redirected to your organization's login portal. Use a corporate credentials from Okta, Microsoft or Google Workspace. Now fourth is set up your password. After your first login, you will be prompted to change your temporary password. Choose a secure memorable password that meets the required criteria. Now fifth is enabling multiple factor authentication. For added security, your employer may require MFA. Follow the prompts to link your account to authentication app. Verify your identity via email, text messages or mobile app. Complete your profile setup. Once logged in, complete any required onboarding tasks like confirming personal information, setting up your emergency contacts and reviewing company policies and documents. And that's basically how you can create Workday account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.